Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Windows 10 Software Development Kit. Type Windows 10 SDK in browser search bar. Click Windows 10 SDK. Click Download the installer. Open downloaded file. Click Next. Click Next. Click Install. Click Yes to continue. Windows 10 Software Development Kit installed successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.